Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off, unplug, and remove peripherals so nothing powers the system while you work. Hold the compressed air can upright and give short, controlled bursts into intake and exhaust vents. This dislodges loose dust without spinning fans too fast. As you blow, sweep a soft brush across vents to guide debris out. Make sure to support the laptop so dust falls away from openings. Once done, wipe the exterior with a microfiber cloth to capture surface particles. Continue by tilting the laptop to about 45 degrees to let loosened dust fall away instead of back inside, and use alternating short air bursts to coax stubborn particles out. Keep the constraw or thin nozzle roughly 2-3 cm from vent openings to avoid moisture or overpressure. This protects fan bearings. As you work, hold a vacuum on low with a soft brush attachment near the exit to capture expelled dust. This prevents it from resettling. Make sure to move systematically along every vent. Finish by repeating the air and brush cycle until no visible dust appears. Then let the laptop sit for 5 to 10 minutes so any residual propellant evaporates. Before powering on, double-check vents and ports for stray fibers. If fan noise or heat issues persist, try a few brief air bursts aimed at fan intake while powered off to free stuck blades. If that doesn't help or you suspect bearing damage, stop and get professional service to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.